We're back again to continue the conversation about when we hit a snag, when we bump up against an edge, when we fall off the edge of the earth. What do we do? What do we do? I am pretty adept at this, I must admit, after so many years of being in the world as an artist entrepreneur. I am very, very well aware of how hard it is, how devastating it is, how it just feels so out of control to not know what to do, not know how to make a decision, and not know what happens next when there doesn't appear to be any ground under our feet. So I really want us to consider, as we're beginning this new natural year, it's the Aries cycle, and it's all about, clarifying, where are we going and what direction do we choose to take, and how responsible are we for the snags that come to meet us. I'd like to say that we're responsible for every one of them, not to make us feel guilty or to be harsh with ourselves, but we really want to take full responsibility. There's a beautiful poem from A Course in Miracles that says, "I'm responsible for what I see, I choose the feelings I experience, and I decide upon the goal I would achieve. And everything that seems to happen to me, I ask for and receive as I have asked." I hope to see you soon again. I'm going to talk a little bit more about when we bump up against a snag, when we fall off the edge of the earth, and when we're looking at ourselves and going, I don't know what to do. See you soon. I hope you'll subscribe.